இது நம்ம ஐயா கோச்சிங் சென்டர். வாங்க படிக்கலாம்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
Today let us see mitochondrial inheritance. The best example for mitochondrial inheritance is male sterility in pearl mice. Pearl maize, that is Sorghum vulgare. The next one is, so it is also called as cytoplasmic male sterility. It is also called as cytoplasmic male sterility. It's also called as cytoplasmic male sterility. And then the male sterility is always inherited maternally. Male sterility is always inherited by maternally. Gene for male sterility is found in gene for male sterility. Gene for male sterility is found in mitochondrial DNA. Gene for male sterility is found in mitochondrial DNA. So in this plant, which plant? The Sorghum vulgare, there are two types of types. One is with normal cytoplasm. Two types, that is, one is normal cytoplasm, that is N. Another one is aberrant cytoplasm. Aberrant cytoplasm, that is what? S. The next one is this aberrant cytoplasm also, this only causes male sterility. And these types also exhibit reciprocal differences. Which we have seen in Mirabilis gelapa. Now we'll see plant with normal cytoplasm. When it is crossed with plant with, that is aberrant cytoplasm. That is aberrant cytoplasm. That is S. Then the F1. The F1 is male sterile plant. The next one is that is the plant with, next cross you'll see plant with aberrant cytoplasm. With plant with normal cytoplasm. Here the plant with aberrant cytoplasm, especially this is the male, this cannot be, cross cannot be made in this because the male is already, this is sterile. No, this sterile plant cannot produce water, pollen grain. They cannot produce pollen grain. So what is not possible? Cross is not possible. Okay, next we'll see the recent discoveries in this. Now recently it has been discovered that cytoplasmic genetic male sterility is common in what? Many plant species. But the sterility maintained by the influence of both nuclear as well as mitochondria. So the sterility is influenced by not only by mitochondria, it is influenced by what also? Nuclear gene also. Already we have seen there are two types of cytoplasm. One is normal cytoplasm, another one is aberrant cytoplasm, that causes sterilism. And usually these genes are found in where? It is found in mitochondria. Apart from this, in nucleus, another gene is found, that is restores of fertility. Restores of fertility gene, that is RF, restores of fertility genes. See, these genes are found in nucleus. Okay, but they are distinct from the genetic male sterility genes of other plants. These RF genes are found where? It is found in nucleus. They are found in nucleus. Even though these genes are nuclear genes, they are distinct from genetic male sterility genes of other plants. Another thing is, the most important one is the RF genes. They do not have any expression of their own. அது தானாவே எதையும் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. When it will express, no, it will express with the sterile cytoplasm only. It expresses only with which cytoplasm? Sterile cytoplasm. When sterile cytoplasm is present, these genes can express. If not, it cannot express on its own. And then this gene only restores what? The fertility. So the combination of, suppose, N cytoplasm with RF or and then S cytoplasm with capital RF and capital RF and capital RF produces plants with what? Fertile pollen. Produces plants with fertile pollen. While S cytoplasm with RF produces only male sterile plants. These produces male sterile plants. Male sterile plants. Fertile male, that with normal cytoplasm, and here the gene in nucleus is RF. Then female, that is female. Female, that is with aberrant cytoplasm and RF, then RF. When it is crossed, see what is fertile? The F1 progeny is fertile. Fertile male due to which gene? Due to the presence of which gene? There is restore gene. Fertile male due to this RF gene. Next cross. Normal cytoplasm, that is the male, with RF into aberrant cytoplasm, RF. And here sterile cytoplasm with RF and RF. This is sterile male due to the absence of which gene? That is restorer gene. I'll explain how this becomes sterile. See, you can see here, this is normal RF, and then female, capital RF, small RF, and you can see here two types of gametes. See the gametes which formed. When this is crossed with this will become fertile male. Because that is the restore of fertility gene, and when this is crossed with this will become what? This sterile male due to the absence of here. What is absent? This restorer gene is absent. That's all about mitochondrial inheritance. Thank you.